Hello everyone and welcome back to another Animal Jam video. So when I'm just talking in videos, I guess I'll just be here. I'm gonna call this my Animal Jam office. But anyways, today's an update video, so let's get going. I'm not gonna be reading all of this because I'm lazy. Oh, there's new animal. Clydesdale horses are here. Clydesdale horses have arrived in Jamma. These powerful horses are especially talented at pulling large loads, and they're ready to lend a hoof to fall to their fellow animals. Do you need help moving furniture into a new den? Be sure to give Clydesdale horses a warm welcome this winter season and become one today. We'll definitely be buying one of those. Breaking news. The strange stone has disappeared from Alpha headquarters. The Alpha Sir Gilbert and Liza were the first to notice its absence, and are currently trying to find out what could have happened to it. There appears to be no evidence of phantoms having made it into Alpha headquarters, but who else could be behind this? We've got some mysterious stuff. The Soul Arcade Den has returned for Jammer. Yeah, no. The portals of land and sea adventures have been open to all jammers. Now everyone can participate in Alpha's quest to defend Jamma and test their strength against phantom threat. Take this opportunity to get caught up on all the adventures the Alphas have embraced on so far, and get ready for the furniture challenges to come. Oh, future! Breathtaking new snow sculptures of Jamma's Alphas are on their way, so keep your eyes peeled for the arrival. I'm not going to read that. I'm probably not going to read all of this. Yeah, advertisement. Advertisement. Okay, not gonna read that. 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 Wait a minute. Yeah. Not gonna read that. Not gonna read that. That's it. That's it. Okay. So let's go buy a Clydesdale horse. Okay, so there's a spoilers right in this area, and there's a scammer. She scammed my friend's green long, Grayson666. So let's quickly switch diamond shop. No spoilers in here. Now, let's get it. I do not like that. But darling gentle lady, sure. Okay, let's make a new outfit. Okay, what looks good? That looks cute. That doesn't look cute. That doesn't look cute. That doesn't look cute. That doesn't look cute. Oh, that looks cute. That looks so cute. I like that. Oh yeah, just jamagram me if you want one of these party hats, because I have a billion. Not over-exaggerating. I have too many. Ooh, these look cute. I'm just gonna look like an original outfit because I'm really too lazy to make one right now. Okay, so boom, boom. No, they don't get any special. Okay. Ooh, I really like this one. There, this is my pony. This is my pony. Now let's go look at the animations. Let's go to my den. What kind of music is it playing? I must know. What's the music it's playing? Oh, okay, yeah. Copyright. No, I'm just kidding. Copyright. Sure, play wild. Sponsored by Animal Jam. No, I'm just kidding. Lol, I wish. Like, I wish. Cute. I literally took like an hour just to decorate my cool office. Okay, that's enough of that. Okay. Please zoom in on me. Zoom in! So, we're gonna be checking out this pop-in animation. So, okay. Let's start, please. Like, I'm not impressed by the walk. I'm already not impressed by the walk. Okay. Actions. Dance. Dance, please. Oh no! It's dabbing! Oh my gosh, why is it dabbing? No! If you don't know what a dab is, this hideous thing is a dab. But seriously, it's going right in for that dab. But let's try a different animation. Let's try hop. Oh god, the leg. Let's get you this, I'm sorry. Okay. I just clicked on hop again, oops. Okay. Sleep. Oh, look at it, it's so cute! Okay. Play. What is it? Oh my god. No! My pony! Okay, that is amazing, Animal Jam. Okay, sit. Okay, I love this animal.